Isa sa mga topics or questions na nakikita ko sa mga groups is about the fuel range. Sabi nila hindi raw accurate or masyado raw makonsumo yung sasakyan nila. So in this example, with the remaining fuel level here, it's telling me that I still have 828 kilometers. Bakit daw tumakbo lang siya, for example, ng let's say 8 kilometers, dapat ang ipapakita dito magiging 820 kilometers. Tama nga naman, di ba? Pero hindi raw 820 ang pinapakita, much lower, siguro 810 or 800 na lang. So bakit daw ganon? Ang iniisip tuloy nila, masyado raw makonsumo yung sasakyan or mali yung computation dito. Okay? So yan ngayon ang susubukan kong ipaliwanag sa inyo. Bakit nga naman ganon?
Let's use our C line 6 as the example kasi mas familiar ako sa numbers niya para realistic yung mga numbers natin. So, when the tank of the C line 6 is full, it will show you the estimated range of 1,100 kilometers. That is the claimed range of BYD for the C line 6, which is only an estimate and may not always be true in real-world driving condition. So, anyway, 1,100 kilometers for a full tank or 60 liters. For example, nag-long drive ka, example from Bicol to Manila, that is about 480 kilometers. And based on my experience, you will consume 26 liters of gas. That's about 18.46 kilometers per liter or KPL na lang para shortcut. The fuel system and fuel tank has a lot of sensors. At this point, the system knows that there's 34 liters left in the tank. Kasi nga, di ba, 60 minus 26 is 34. Using the consumption rate of 18.46 kpl multiplied by 34 liters is 627 kilometers. That's why ang ipapakita ng instrument cluster na remaining range mo is 627 kilometers. Nasundan po? Okay. Now, nakabalik ka na sa Maynila, back to heavy city traffic. Galing sa office sa Quezon City, for example, pumasok ka sa office sa BGC, that's about 15 kilometers distance. Based on my test before, the consumption of the Sea Lion 6 is 12 kpl in heavy traffic. Using that rate, yung 15 kilometers na tinakbo mo from Quezon City to BGC will consume 1.25 liters. Now, your total distance from Bicol is now 480 plus 15, which is equal to 495 kilometers. The total fuel consumed is now 26 plus 1.25, resulting to 27.25 liters, which also means the remaining fuel in the tank is now 32.75. 495 divided by 27.25 will result to a consumption rate of 18.16 kpl. Multiply that by 32.75 liters, the estimated range for the remaining fuel is 594.74 kilometers.
From a range of 627 kilometers, it went down to 594.74 kilometers, a difference of 32.26 kilometers after driving for only 15 kilometers. Kasi nung nasa city traffic ka na, mas malakas na yung konsumo mo, affected na yung average fuel consumption mo. As you continue to drive in the city for the next coming days, lalo pa yan bababa.
'Di ba? So, yun ang nangyayari. So, I hope nasagot yung tanong, bakit daw nabawasan yung range ng 32.26 kilometers, 15 kilometers lang naman ang tinakbo. Your driving condition change. You consumed more. The car's computer constantly recalculates the range based on your real-time fuel flow and computes the average from the very beginning of your trip until you reset the trip data. Diba? Based on my observation, the Sea Lion 6 updates this information every 1 to 2 minutes. The system will always get the average from the last time the trip data was reset. That's why you will notice every time I start driving and I want to compute the fuel consumption, I would reset all the data. That is why I always say the estimated range because it's only an estimate. That is why I don't really look at that number. I'm still using the old school bar. If it's already around one fourth, it's time to refuel. This is not a BYD thing. This hindi ito pang BYD lang, the same behavior for other brands. All right? So, thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. As always, please drive safe. Bye.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.